Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming an Empties. I have a big bag right here in front of me and I'm so excited to talk about these products because of course I did finish them up, so I have a pretty good understanding of the formulas and stuff like that. Let's just start in random order. I have in here the Gliss from Schwarzkopf, the Ultimate Repair Express Conditioner. I really like these sprays just to hydrate a bit my ends, and in general they are making my hair soft and I really like them. They are from the drugstore and I always have one of these in my collection, so I really like it. And this one retails for $6, and as well this one, this is $6 as well. It is the Batiste Naturally dry shampoo. This one I think it's called Naturally because of the scent, not because it's light or something like that. It is a good one overall, but I still prefer the scent of the tropical one and the longevity and the power of the overnight one, so there is no point in me repurchasing this. But I have the two other scents as well in my collection. I will finish all of them up. It is a good product, but I will not repurchase it. Then I have two hand soaps from Bath & Body Works. They are $10 each. I have the Black Cherry Merlot, which I actually did repurchase. This one is great. And the Cozy Vanilla Almond. I really like the foaming hand soaps from Bath & Body Works and I do recommend them. They are a bit expensive and I'm not purchasing them all the time just because in the winter months usually soaps like these are drying out my hands, and it's not about the product, more just about the skin or my hands. It is a bit sensitive. One of my absolute favorite products is this one. It is the Tutti Frutti Sugar Body Scrub. I have a bunch of them in my collection, and as well I did finish a lot of them because they are just affordable and really good products. Then I finished this one. It is the Elmiplant After Sun lotion, and this one is with some sparkly product in there. It's a really good one overall. I did, like I said, finish it up. The scent is not the best because after a while it's just smelling like old sunscreen, not like expired sunscreen, more like the old school type of scent when it comes to sunscreens, and I think that's not the best. I would have preferred this one to smell like coconut or something like that. So overall I don't think I will repurchase it, but it is a really good one. Another thing from Bath & Body Works that I have in here, it is the body wash. This one is passion fruit banana flower. This smells absolutely lovely and I really liked it. It is just hydrating, it is foaming, and it is a really nice one. By the way, I forgot to mention, all of these products will be listed down below with prices and everything, and as well all the things that I have on my face. Then I have the moisturizing cream from Cerave. This is $13 and I did repurchase it again because I really like it. And as well, this is my second one, I think. I tried the one in the tub, the cream as well. I tried the lotion. All of them are really good, but I do prefer this one because of the squeezy tube. It is a really good product and again very affordable. Then I finished this one. It is the Borotalco Original Extra Dry. It is a deodorant spray. This is $5. What I discovered right now is that my Dove one and then this one on top, it's even better. So I can go through a summer day, very humid and very warm, with this combo. It is lovely. Maybe in the winter months I'm not gonna use something like this that much just because there is no need, but this combo is lovely. I did finish one of these up. It is $6 and that is my favorite deodorant. Then I finished this one. It is the Rituals Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil Shower Gel. This is really nice. I bought it from Sephora because Rituals, it is available at Sephora. It is lovely because it is creating a foam, smells incredible, and it is a really nice shower gel. I do recommend it, so I could see myself repurchasing it at some point. This one is $4. I did repurchase it a million times. I will in the future. It's just the best micellar water in my opinion. Similar to this one, this is the best salicylic acid cleanser. It's just the best one, and it is affordable. The Inkey list salicylic acid cleanser. This one is $15 and it's just great. I use this one every day in the morning, and I have backups of it. I did repurchase it. It's great. Then I have the Nivea Sun SPF 30. This one is the oily one, I think. Yeah, this is nice. I do really like it. It's a good one from the drugstore. SPF 30 was okay after I got some tan. I lost most of it, but it is what it is. I really like this one. It was really nice, and with the sprayer it was very easy to apply. Then I have this one. I put it in the Empties, even though I have just the smallest bit left. It is the Paula's Choice 2%. I absolutely love this product. It is $43, so pretty expensive, but this is the best. Right now I'm using the Glow Recipe one, and I think this one is stronger and this one is better in my opinion. That one seems nice so far, but it is not better than this one. So I decided to declutter this one and put it in the Empties because I used it so much, and this has 12 months of shelf life, and I think I had it for maybe 18 months or something like that. Next I have the L'Oreal Elseve conditioner. I really like these ones from the drugstore because they are nice conditioners, and I like to alternate my Olaplex purple conditioner in this particular moment with this one, because the purple conditioner is pretty strong, so I'm using that maybe twice per month, and then this one the rest of the time, and it's really nice. Then I finished the laminating brow wax from Too Faced, the Fluff and Hold. This retails for $36, so a pretty expensive product as well. I did repurchase it. I have it in my collection right now. I love it. I will repurchase it in the future. It's just the best one, and even though I tested the drugstore one that is lovely, this is still way better. Then I finished the Ordinary Niacinamide. This is the 60 ml one. Absolutely love this one. I did repurchase it, of course. It is one of my favorites, but right now I'm using the Glow Recipe one, and it is nice. The texture is lovely. It smells nice, but I don't think it's better than this one when it comes to actual results, because sure, the smell is nice, packaging is nice, the pump is nice and everything, but still I want the results, and I think this is really nice as well. Then I decided to retire 2 pairs of lashes. These are $26 together. So I have the shade, the style Chic and the style Posh. Really nice lashes, but they are getting pretty old, and I'm not wearing lashes right now, and if I am wearing them, I prefer something very natural. So I'm planning to buy some lashes maybe in the Black Friday sale, but they will be very natural. Then I finished 2 SPFs that are just favorite ones. These are for the face. I have the Purito Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen. This one has a new packaging right now actually. This is $17, and from my research I found that this is $17 as well, but I think the Purito one was a bit more expensive. So maybe, of course, if you are getting them on a sale or something like that, they are similar in price, but I think I like this one a bit more, and it is a bit more affordable if I can remember correctly. This is the Beauty of Joseon SPF 50. This is just a bit thinner. It is a bit on the glowier side, a bit more than the other one, but they are both, if you are buying any of these, you will not be disappointed. They are stunning. And right now I have one of these left in my collection. I will repurchase this one right after. They are great, and I really like them. It is very important to use SPF absolutely daily. Then we have the Island-Tree Hyaluronic Aqua Gel. This is $19. As you can see, I'm cutting all of these in half and using everything up. This is great. I really like it. It is very thin, sinks into the skin very fast, but it's very hydrating. If you have oily skin, I do recommend something like this, like a gel cream. And similar to that, I have these, but these are way more expensive, and Sure, these are minis, but I use them up and I don't feel like they are worth the money compared to the Isn't one. As example, I have in here the Laneige sleeping mask, the bouncy and firm, and the water sleeping mask. They are both hydrating creams. Sure, this one is a gel and this one is just a bit thicker, but still, it was still sinking into the skin very fast. They are nice, don't get me wrong, but again, they're not worth the money in my opinion. Then I'm gonna declutter 2 sponges. These are $6 each, so 12 together. They are great, the mop sponges that I keep repurchasing. Then I have the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser in the mini format. I actually repurchased it, but in the full size, just because I absolutely love it. So I want to have it in my collection as a full size. It is a bit more affordable if you are buying a bigger quantity. I'm using something like this all the time when I have makeup like this. Something pretty colorful, a lot of foundation and a lot of products. I want to remove everything from my face. Then I have the Catrice tinted lip oil. I just finished this one. It is nice, from the drugstore, and pretty good lip oil overall. Another lip product is the Clarins one. This was lovely. I had previously the same, this is the lip comfort oil. I had the plum shade. The formula, I knew at that time as well that the formula was nice, but the color was unusable for me. So this one, that is, I think, the clear shade, it is the number 1. This one was amazing. It is a mini, but I enjoyed every last drop of it. And lastly, we have in here the Ordinary Retinol Emulsion. This is nice, and this is retinol, which is a bit stronger than a retinol, but I just, with this pump and everything, I felt like I went through this one very, very fast. So I still prefer the Inkey List one, the 1% retinol. I think I will repurchase that and keep using that one. I didn't see visible results or something, so I think that one is really nice for me. So this was everything. We have a total of $381 for all of these empties. I have some pretty expensive products in here, like the Paula's Choice 2% and the Too Faced Brow Gel. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.